How to enable triple-click screenshot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to find and tap on Touch under the Physical and Motor section. On the Touch Settings page, scroll down and tap on Back Tap. Back Tap lets you perform actions by double or triple tapping the back of your iPhone. Here, tap on Triple Tap to assign a new action to it. From the list of available system actions, scroll down and select Screenshot. As you can see, a triple tap on the back of your phone now instantly captures a screenshot. Following these steps, you can easily enable triple-click screenshot on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.